The Korean industry, auto industry, Hyundai and Kia are clearly two of the laggards. They've enjoyed the benefits of our free trade agreement with Korea and Japan and continued to import indiscriminately. So they've cost us dear.
That was Piyush Goyal, Union Minister of Commerce and Industry, at a recent event in Pune, talking about India's domestic manufacturing capacities and how some foreign automakers have benefited from India's free trade agreements. The government now aims to offer domestic manufacturers greater access to global markets and benefit from its free trade agreements or FTAs. In 2022, India signed free trade agreements with UAE and Australia. Before these and another trade agreement with Mauritius in 2021, India had taken a decade-long break from signing new FTAs. Currently, India is part of 13 FTAs, most of which are with South and East Asian countries. But now that's changing. India is presently in negotiation with the European Union, UK, and Canada for a bilateral free trade agreement. So why is India showing enthusiasm to sign more FTAs? COVID-19 and Russia-Ukraine wars disrupted global supply chain, leading to a scarcity of essential materials and services around the world. The same scarcity had made India realize the importance of diversifying the sources of its essential imports. India also has ambitious plans to achieve $2 trillion export target by 2030. Through new bilateral free trade agreements, the country is looking for potential markets to export. But are the existing free trade agreements beneficial for India?
The trade deficit, the rising trade deficit has been one of the major problems with the FTAs. And that was also the reason why India walked out of RCEP negotiations.
Though India's total export has increased over the years, imports are also on the rise, leading to the rising trade deficit. As free trade agreement allows the countries to conduct trade at heavily discounted tariff rates, the increased trade deficit suggests that India needs to step up its exports.
My view is that it's really the export side. We are not able to export well enough. And this is again showing up in this financial year, because after our tremendous performance in 21-22, in 22-23, this financial year, exports have again started slumping. Yeah. So the major problem for us is that we're not able to, our industry, our different sectors, agriculture industry, is not competitive enough. It's not competitive enough to take the more efficient firms and the countries in the global markets.
However, Amitabh Batra of the Jawaharlal Nehru University believes the FTAs shouldn't be held liable for the increasing trade deficit. It is the inability of the domestic manufacturers to take advantage of the existing FTAs through competitive exports, she believes.
Our export basket, that has not changed much. The export basket does not have any significant major change, in terms of increasing the manufactured component in it. Plus, as far as our manufacturing value addition is concerned in the exports, that has declined over time. So in that sense, the important thing here underlying the entire export trend is manufacturing competitiveness, lack of participation in global value chains, not doing FTAs with the right countries, designed right so as to be able to take advantage of FTAs as a means to participation in value chains.
For India to take advantage of the FTAs, experts believe manufacturing and export competitiveness should be achieved, followed by the identification of right partner countries and agreeing on well-negotiated deals. India's move to sign free trade partnerships with EU, UK, and Canada has the potential to iron out restrictive measures that function as a barrier to exporters and open up new markets for domestic businesses.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.